how to cancel your DoorDash order in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is open your DoorDash application and log in into your account. Then simply proceed by clicking on the Orders tab. Now, once you press the Orders tab, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the specific order that you want to cancel. It is going to go ahead and show you a live status on where it is at the moment. You can simply go ahead and click on the Help tab on the top. Then it is going to ask you how they can help you. You want to simply go ahead and select, I want to cancel my order. Once you've done that, it is going to go ahead and ask you for reasons on why you want to cancel. You want to simply go ahead and put on the appropriate reason, and then simply go ahead and click on yes, cancel order, and your order will be canceled. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.